girls and canines, boardwalk girls who play nice, cars and their engines, bridging its suspension, the sun shadowing the east. And I like how you just looks for that lampshade, and people always tell me you're the best friend they ever made. Take me to the commune, we can live with Cat Stevens, he can play the tambourine. Yes, I like to live up in a house that lives up in a tree. Only you and me, maybe a kid, maybe three. Maybe from the top you can see that I want you across my hips, fast and low and tight, in the middle of the woods, in the middle of the night. We can let the world fall away, one kiss at a time. And I like my Mustangs unshod, the Coywolves at Cape Cod, the Tillerman and Big Mud gone but not forgotten. Wind catching the caution, so let it all be free. Let's take another unplanned road trip, leave behind New England. Maybe we can find our lefty sister Ingrid, leave the frozen rivers for someplace we never see. Yes, I like to live up in a house that lives up in a tree. Only you and me, maybe a kid, maybe three. Maybe from the top you can see that I want you across my hips, fast and low and tight, in the middle of the woods, in the middle of the night. We can let the world fall away, one kiss at a time. Yes, I want you across your hips, fast and low and tight, in the middle of the woods, in the middle of the night. Let the world fall away, one kiss at a time. Wake up to tell me.
Wake up, man.
Wake up to show me what I could not find. Wake